Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about F1Game Error Code 94. The error reads, EA Javelin Anti-Cheat encountered an error, please restart the game. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play the game but crash out after a few minutes due to the new anti-cheat update. According to our research, the error may happen because of conflicts between EA Javelin Anti-Cheat and other apps, or antivirus interference, or corrupted game files. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with the network and check if there is a new update for the game. If there is, install it and then check for the error again. If the error still comes, then download Malwarebytes and run a scan. Once opened, let it detect error files and quarantine them. After the process completes, launch the game and check for the error. If the error persists, then add the game as an exclusion in Windows Antivirus or any of your other antivirus software. Simply open your Windows Security settings and go to Virus and Threat Protection, then Manage Settings, and add an exclusion for the game folder. Then restart your device and check if this helps with the error. If the error continues, then try repairing the game through the EA app. Simply open the EA app and go to your library, then right-click on the F1 game and select Repair. Once done, check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then try closing Razer Synapse from the Task Manager. Simply press Ctrl+Shift+ESC and go to the Processes tab, and find Razer Synapse, then right-click on it and select End Task. Once done, check for the error again. If the error doesn't resolve, then try using Revo Uninstaller. Simply uninstall and wipe the registries and backup files for any unused or cheat-related applications. Also go to Tools, then go to the Junk Files Cleaner in Revo Uninstaller and delete things it finds in the drive where the game is installed. Please make sure to not delete anything which is important. Once cleaned, launch the game and check if this helps with the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.